Hello students, in last class we taught photoelectric effect and based on photoelectric effect three problems we taught. Still some more problems are there based on photoelectric effect. So next fourth problem is, yesterday three problems were over. Fourth problem, the threshold frequency denoted by the symbol nu naught. The threshold frequency nu naught for a metal is 7 into 10 power 14 second inverse threshold frequency. Calculate the kinetic energy of an electron. Calculate the kinetic energy of an electron emitted. Calculate the kinetic energy of an electron emitted when radiation of frequency is nu 1 into 10 power 15 second inverse hits the metal. All of you see the data. What they given? Threshold frequency they given. So threshold frequency symbol is nu naught. Nu naught value what? 7 into 10 power 14 second inverse. And incident frequency they given. Incident frequency symbol is nu. Nu equal to what? 1 into 10 power 15 second inverse. Now they are asking kinetic energy of emitted electron. Whenever nu naught and nu is given, so already we taught the formulas. That 5 formulas you should remember and you should practice. If you are remembering the formulas, problems are easy. Since kinetic energy formula K equal to H into nu minus nu naught. If you are taking common factor H, we will get H into nu minus nu naught. H value what? Planck's constant 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 joules into nu value what? 1 into 10 power 15 minus nu naught 7 into 10 power 14. That equal to 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 into, if you are taking common factor 10 power 14, here 10 you will get 10 minus 7 3. 6.625 into 10 power minus 34 into 10 power 14 into 3. This 6.625 into 3 roughly we will take as 20. Then in options neither answer you can check. Exact value if you want means here 19.875 you will get exact value. Roughly we are taking as 20. Minus 34 plus 14 minus 20 joules are roughly 20 into 10 power minus 20 joules are 2 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Here H value we are substituting in SI system. Therefore, final kinetic energy units also SI system joules. 2 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So this is the fourth sum. Next, fifth one. Same model, this you can do as homework sum. Calculate the kinetic energy of the electron ejected when yellow light of frequency when yellow light of frequency 5.2 into 10 power 14 second inverse falls on the surface of potassium metal, surface of potassium metal, surface of potassium metal, comma, the threshold frequency of of potassium is 5 into 10 power 14 second inverse. Same model, same formula you want to apply. What formula? Kinetic energy K equal to H into nu minus nu naught. So this formula you want to apply. Whenever incident frequency and threshold frequency given, if kinetic energy are asking means kinetic energy K equal to H into nu minus nu naught. For this problem you will get answer is 1.325 into 10 power minus 20 joules. 1.325 into 10 power minus 20 joules. Next, sixth one. A photon of wavelength a photon of wavelength 4 into 10 power minus 7 meters strikes on metal surface. A photon of wavelength 4 into 10 power minus 7 meters strikes on metal surface. The work function of your work function they given. The work function of the metal being 2.13 electron volts. Work function they given in electron volts. Calculate. Here three sums are there, easy only but important model. Calculate first one, the energy of photon in electron volts they are asking. Second sum is kinetic energy of the emission. Third one, the velocity of the photoelectron. Photoelectron means everyday electron. If we will calculate kinetic energy, from kinetic energy we are able to calculate velocity. Velocity of photoelectron. Now, according to given data, photon of wavelength 4 into 10 power minus 7 meters. So here first problem, calculation of energy. Energy of photon in electron volts. Lastly we will consider in electron volts. Energy symbol is E. What they given? Wavelength they given. Lambda equal to 4 into 10 power minus 7 meters. And they are asking energy. Whenever wavelength is given, what is the energy formula? Energy E equal to hc by lambda. Direct formula, Planck's quantum theory formula. Whenever wavelength is given, energy you should calculate by applying this formula. H value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34. Velocity of light 3 into 10 power 8 by wavelength 4 into 10 power minus 7. 6.625 into 3, 20 roughly. Always you should remember that 6.625 into 3 means roughly 20. 20 by 4 into 10 power minus 7 goes to numerator part, 10 power plus 7. So plus 7 plus 8 plus 15 minus 34 plus 15. If minus 7 comes to numerator part, plus 7 plus 7 plus 8 plus 15 minus 34 plus 15, 4 minus 5 9, 2 minus 1 1. Therefore 10 power 19, 20 by 4 5 into 10 power 19 joules. 5 into 10 power minus 9, sorry, here minus 34 is there, minus 19 joules. So this is the energy in joules. Minus 34 plus 15 minus 19 joules. 5 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Exact value it will comes as 4.97. Roughly we are taking as 5. But they are asking in electron volts. They are asking in electron volts. Since 1 electron volt equal in last class we taught, since 1 electron volt equal to how many joules? 1.602 into electron volt is nothing but charge of electron. 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Here 5 into 10 power minus 19 joules. How many electron volts will come? Therefore energy of that electron is 5 into 10 power minus 19 into 1 by 1.602 into 10 power minus 19. 10 power minus 19, 10 power minus 19 gets cancelled. 1 electron means these number of joules. 5 into 10 power minus 19 joules. How many electron volts will come? Here 3.1 electron volts will come. Therefore, energy in terms of electron volts how much? 3.1. This is first sum. Next, kinetic energy of emission. Second one, kinetic energy of emission. Kinetic energy they are asking. Since energy equal to threshold energy nothing but work function plus kinetic energy. All of you see the data here. They given work function also they given. Or kinetic energy K equal to total energy minus work function. Now only we calculate energy. How much it is? 3.1 minus work function what? 2.13 electron volts. Both are in electron volts. Work function they given in electron volts. Energy also we calculate in electron volts. 3.1 minus 2.13. After that you have to calculate. You will get 0.97 electron volts. Are converting into joules. 0.97 into 1 electron volt is 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. After that if you are calculating you will get 1.554 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So this is the kinetic energy in terms of joules. And last one, velocity of photoelectron. From kinetic energy we are able to calculate velocity. Third one, velocity of photoelectron. So since kinetic energy formula K equal to half mv square. K equal to what? Half mv square. K value what? 1.554 into 10 power minus 19, that equal to half into mass of electron they didn't given, but already we by hearted. In terms of kgs, SI system 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into V square. Or V square equal to, if you are calculating V square equal to 2 into cross multiplication 1.554 into 10 power minus 19 by, in final objective exam simple values they will give for the easy cancellation. 10 power minus 19 by 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. If you are calculating, you will get 0.341 into 10 power 12, or it can be rewrite as 34.1 into 10 power 10. This is V square. Therefore, V square equal to what? 34.1 into 10 power 10. But they are asking V, velocity. V equal to square root of 34.1 into 10 power 10. Square root of 34.1, 5.84 into, if 10 power 10 comes outside, 10 power 5. Velocity SI units what? Meter per second. Whenever 10 power 10 comes out, 10 power 5. Therefore, velocity of electron is 5.84 into 10 power 5 meter per second. Next, seventh one. Electrons are emitted with a zero velocity electrons are emitted with a zero velocity from a metal surface electrons are emitted with a zero velocity. Here what velocity they given? Zero velocity from a metal surface when it is exposed to radiation of wavelength 6800 angstroms. Calculate the work function and threshold frequency of metal. So, all of you see the data. Electrons are emitted with what velocity? Zero velocity. Whenever velocity is zero, automatically kinetic energy also zero from a metal surface. When it is exposed to radiation of what wavelength? 6800 angstroms wavelength. Then they are asking work function and threshold frequency. Since velocity is zero means kinetic energy formula what? Half mv square. Whenever velocity is zero, kinetic energy also zero. Now they are asking work function. Since energy E equal to threshold energy, nothing but work function. Energy E equal to threshold energy, nothing but work function plus kinetic energy. Anyhow, this kinetic energy is zero, or energy E equal to work function plus kinetic energy 0, or work function W naught equal to E. E formula what? Hc by lambda. H value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34. Velocity of light 3 into 10 power 8. Wavelength they given in angstroms. 6800 angstroms. Converting into meters. 1 angstrom is 10 power minus 10 meters. Since 1 angstrom 10 power minus 10 meters. After that you have to simplify it. Finally here you will get 2.92 into 10 power minus 19. Units are joules because work function also one form of energy. Nothing but threshold energy. Work also one form of energy. Energy SI units are what? Joules. 2.92 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Again they are asking threshold frequency. Since work function W naught is nothing but threshold energy, formula what? H nu naught. We know that E equal to H nu. Similarly, E naught equal to what? H nu naught. So E equal to h nu. E naught equal to h nu naught. Therefore here they are asking threshold frequency. Threshold frequency is nu naught. Nu naught equal to what? W naught or E naught by h. W naught value what? 2.92 into 10 power minus 19 divided by h value 6.625 into 10 power minus 34. If you are calculating, you will get 4.41 into 10 power 14 second inverse. After we have to simplify. In final exam, this type of models they will ask, but simple values they will give for easy cancellation. So 4.41 into 10 power 14 second inverse. So this is 7th sum. Next, 8th one, theory based question it is. 8th one, theory based question it is. A surface ejects electrons. A surface ejects electrons when hit by green light, but not hit by green light, but not when hit by yellow light. Full stop. Will electrons be ejected if the surface is hit by red light. Theory based question it is. 4 options they given. First option yes, second option no, third option yes. If the red beam is quite intense, if the red beam is quite intense, fourth option yes. If the red beam continues to fall upon. All of you see the data. So a surface ejects electron when hit by green light but not by yellow light. So your electrons are emitted by using green light but not yellow light. Now they are asking, whenever that surface strikes the red light, whether electrons are emitted or not. So directly we don't know. Here, first of all, we have to compare with the frequencies. So we know that VIBGR or VIBGYR. So VIBGR or VIBGYR. So from violet to red, if you are moving from violet to red, wavelength increases, frequency decreases. Therefore, order of frequency what? Order of frequency, violet greater than, indigo greater than, blue greater than, green greater than, yellow greater than, orange greater than red. So in the VIBGR or VIBGYR, pronunciation whatever it may be, if you are moving from left to right, wavelength increases. Wavelength increase means frequency decreases. Therefore, according to given data, whenever green light is using, photoelectric effect takes place, but not with yellow light. Now they are asking red light. According to given data, in order to emit the electron, minimum what frequency they used? Green light frequency they used. Minimum green light frequency they used. If you are using green light, then only photoelectric effect takes place. Photoelectric effect takes place. Now, yellow light do not takes place. Why? Here condition failed. Minimum frequency of green light we should use. Orange light also no photoelectric effect. Red light also no photoelectric effect here. No photoelectric effect because due to less frequency than green light. Therefore here no photoelectric effect. If same question they are asking, whenever blue light or indigo light or violet light is using, whether photoelectric effect takes place or not. No doubt about it. Whenever if you are using either violet color or indigo color or blue color, photoelectric effect takes place because they are having more frequency than that of green light. But in case of red light, no photoelectric effect. Theory based question it is. Next, ninth one. It is also theory based question. It is the element which has least work function value. Work function denoted as W naught. The element which has least work function value is, they give 4 options. First option copper, second option iron, third option rubidium, fourth option cesium. They are asking least work function. A small logic I will tell. In any data, if least work function is there, means such type of elements readily shows photoelectric effect, because work function less means less energy is enough to break the attractive forces between surface electrons and nucleus. Such type of elements readily shows photoelectric effect. So least work function is readily shows photoelectric effect. So in the entire metals, what type of elements or metals shows photoelectric effect means alkali metals. Alkali metals readily shows photoelectric effect. Again in the alkali metals, which one readily shows photoelectric effect? Cesium, due to large size and low ionization energy. The cesium has lowest work function value, W naught value. Therefore, which option is correct? Fourth option, cesium. So you should remember that in the entire elements, cesium has lowest work function. Among all the elements, cesium has lowest work function due to large size and low ionization energy. So memory based bit it is. Next, 10th one. If lambda naught is the threshold wavelength, for photoelectric emission, lambda the wavelength of light falling on the surface of metal, and small m is the mass of electron, then theory based question but important, then the velocity of ejected electron, then the velocity of ejected electron is given by, here they given four options. First option is 2h by m into lambda naught minus lambda whole power 1 by 2 or square root. Second option 2hc by m lambda naught minus lambda whole power 1 by 2. Third option 2hc by m lambda naught minus lambda by lambda into lambda naught whole power 1 by 2. Fourth option 2hc by m 1 by lambda naught minus 1 by lambda whole power 1 by 2. So all of you see the data. Lambda naught is the threshold wavelength, lambda is the incident wavelength, m is the mass of electron, and they are asking velocity of electron. So here apply the basic formula